Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to filter unique value and how to remove duplicates value from our data set, or how to sort the values. So this is a very basic video on how to filter, remove duplicates and sorting. And let's get started. Here we have data set, sales territory key, region, country, group, and here you can see the data is duplicate. Okay, so if you want to remove the duplicates, then go to data tab and go to advanced. Okay, advanced, and here select the range. This is automatically selecting the range A1 to D23. So you can see here, and if you want to see only unique records only, then click on this checkbox and click OK. You can see only the unique values are visible, and the duplicates are hidden. You can see here row number 1, 2, 3 is hidden, 4, 5 is hidden. So these are the hidden rows. Okay, so if you want to copy these hidden sorry, the visible values, then copy this and paste here anywhere you want to paste. Okay, so this is how you can copy and paste. And one important thing before doing any sorting and filtering data, you should copy your data somewhere else or take a backup of data always. So this is a trick or tips. Okay, so here if you want to how to filter the values, so how to apply the filter, then control shift L. So this is a shortcut for filter. Control plus shift plus L. Okay, so this is a filter basically, and just increase the size. Yes, and you can remove, and how to how to remove the duplicates. Then go to advanced and copy another, copy two. You can explore this criteria range and copy two, because you can also copy your filtered data to another location. And what is the shortcut key for how to remove the duplicates with the help of sort with the help of sort keys? So sorting key is Alt AM, Alt plus A plus M, and this is for filter, and this is for duplicate. Okay, so just take a cursor here and Alt AM. You will see this pop up, and click on this OK, and it will show you the 11 duplicates values are found and removed. 11 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cell spaces. Okay, so you can see here remove duplicates are removed now. So this is a short video on this. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.